welcome. It is the 5th December and it's time for another video from me where I open my Christmas calendar. I'll start with rock stamp as usual with the die. I'll open it and see what it is. It's a text words. You are, I don't know, something. Let's see what it says. Swedish words. It says you are our sunshine. Du är vårt solsken. Let's open Jessink stamp and see what's it's some text. It says God jul och gott nytt år. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Same. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and it says Happy Birthday, and it says Hug. Let's stamp it up. See how it looks. In the last one, it says hug. Yeah. Nice. Interesting. Yeah, and let's see what Reprint has. Yeah. Number 5. There we go. Oh, almost 2. No peeking. Number 5. Oh, it's like champagne glasses. See what I have. Some tape. Put this mount later. Don't press too hard. Oh, so the 5th of December was the stamp from Jessink. 2 different Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, 1 Happy Birthday and 1 Hug from Jessink, and this one is from Reprint, and the die from rock stamp. You are our sunshine. Yeah, see you tomorrow. Bye.